I'm going to show you how to organize your Google Drive for your science class. This is really important because we're going to be using Google Drive a lot, where you're going to be saving all of your documents that you work on your Chromebook into Google Drive. And trust me, if your Google Drive is not organized, if you have an assignment that you need to finish, it's almost impossible to find if it's not organized. So I want you to go to ClassLink with all of your apps here, and you're going to, what you can do is you can have your video open in one tab and watch it and pause it and then follow along and do all these things in a different tab. So go to your ClassLink, open up Google Drive. It's one of your apps. It looks like a triangle. It's this one right here. So go ahead and click on that. It'll open up your Google Drive. Now my Google Drive is going to look a lot different than yours, but that's okay. I have a lot of folders already and a lot of files that you're not going to have, but that's okay because the important part is you're going to go over to the top left-hand side where it says new and there's a little plus sign. Click on that plus sign, and remember, you can pause it anytime if you need me to slow down. Just pause the video and then catch up. When you click on that plus sign, you're going to see this list. You're going to click on new folder. Click on new folder. It's going to pop up this window. You're going to name your folder 6th grade science. Okay. Okay, once you've done that, click create. And then there should be that pop up a new folder right in your Google Drive. Okay, so go ahead and click on, because we need to get into that folder, double click on that folder, and it'll open up this folder. It says there's nothing in here, which is okay. There shouldn't be anything in here, but we're going to add something in here. Now, inside our science folder, we need to organize all of our things because we're going to learn about a lot of different things this year. So go ahead and click on that new again. Click on the new, and click on new folder again. And in this new folder, we are going to call this one first 2 weeks. You can do it uppercase, lowercase, whatever you want, but it should say first 2 weeks. So this means that anything that we put in this new folder is going to be from the first 2 weeks of school. So go ahead and create that. And we see that inside of our science folder, there is a first 2 weeks folder. Okay, so I'm going to show you in a later video how to put things into this folder. But right now your Google Drive is set up so that it's all organized, ready for you to complete your assignments on the Chromebook and put them into this folder.